In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bitcoin to Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll have Bitcoin showing in your market watch so you can monitor prices and be ready to place trades through your broker in Metatrader 5. Start by opening Metatrader 5 on your device. Make sure you're using the platform provided by or connected to your broker, since the instruments you'll see depend on the broker's server. In the Navigator panel, look for the Accounts section. Right-click on Accounts to bring up the context menu, then choose Login to Trade Account. Enter your trading login details and select the correct server that your broker has given you. Getting the right server is important. If it's wrong, the platform connects but won't show the proper symbols or pricing. Before moving on, confirm that your broker actually supports Bitcoin trading. Not every broker offers crypto, and those that do might list Bitcoin under different pairs or names such as BTC/USD or XBT/USD. You can usually confirm this in your broker's instrument list or product pages. If Bitcoin isn't offered on your specific account type, you may need to switch account types with your broker or contact their support for availability. Now open the Market Watch window, which is where symbols are displayed. Press Ctrl+M on your keyboard to toggle Market Watch. If it's already open, nothing will change. If it's hidden, it will pop into view. This panel shows all the instruments available for quoting and trading on your connected server. Inside Market Watch, click Add to bring up the symbol search. In the search field, type BTC. The platform will filter results as you type, and you'll typically see Bitcoin pairs like BTC/USD appear. Different brokers may have suffixes or slightly different naming conventions, but searching for BTC usually surfaces the right symbols. When you see the Bitcoin instrument you want, simply press Enter. That confirms your selection and adds it to your market watch list. You should now see live pricing for the Bitcoin symbol you added. If pricing doesn't appear, double check that you're logged into the correct trading account and that the symbol is available on your broker's server. It's also a good idea to review the symbol's contract specifications, including spread, lot size, margin requirements, and trading hours, because these can vary widely between brokers and can affect your risk. Crypto markets can be volatile, so consider using appropriate position sizing and risk controls before placing any orders. That's it. Bitcoin is now added to your Metatrader 5 market watch and ready for you to monitor and trade through your broker.